it's Holly, the Twister Sister, back with another Tutorial Tuesday, and I think this one will actually be coming out on Tuesday. What? So this week, I got a very important package from Betallatex. They sent me their new color, Pumpkin Spice. You guys, this is the orange we have all been waiting for, and I haven't even opened it yet because I wanted to do it for the first time with you guys. So here we go. Pumpkin Spice. Alright, we're gonna blow this up. Whoa. Oh my goodness, that is such a cool color. You guys see this? This is a Pumpkin Spice 260, and I can already tell this is the perfect color for all my Texas people. You have got to get this color for the Longhorns. UT fans, this is burnt orange. It's perfect. Oh, I wish I had this when I was still back living in Texas. Anyway, I wanted to show you with this new Pumpkin Spice orange a quick fox that I've come up with that I'm a little bit in love with. And it only takes 3 balloons, so it's really good for if you need something fast. So we're gonna do a black and a white 260 and a pumpkin spice. Okay, so the white I just left like a 4-inch tail. The black you want to inflate to just have like 2 inches of a tail maybe, and then let some air out so it's nice and squishy and soft. Okay, and we're gonna start off with 2 loops on our white balloon. And remember, the smaller and more compact, the cuter everything is. Okay, so we've got that. Let me bring this down a bit for you. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna do the snout, about 2-inch bubble, and then another 2-inch bubble. Twist those guys together, and then wrap your white around a little bit, because we're done with it. We're gonna get rid of the rest of that. And I'm just gonna wrap it some more to secure it. I don't tie if I don't have to. Okay, so that's what we've got on top. Now you're gonna bring in your pumpkin spice right on top there. Just twist it in. Okay, and it doesn't really matter which one's top and bottom right now, but we're going to go up with the black, give it a nice squeeze. I'm gonna go up about, my full hand's length there, and then another squeeze, come back down the same length, and twist those 2 together. Okay, and we'll get our black coming out underneath the white balloons, like this. Okay, and then you want to pull your orange up on top, and we're going to do about a 3-inch bubble. It's just slightly bigger than his little snout bubbles, okay? We're going to bring our black balloons down and meet them all together in the crease, and then come down the back, same size bubble as our first orange one. So this is what we've got so far. Now you can leave the head like this. I like to do one more time with the orange balloons just to give them a fuller face. So if you want to do that, you just come back up, same size bubble in the back, and I don't twist this in. I just bring it over the top and across the other side. So it came up this side, I'm going to bring it across diagonally. It's going to go down on this side. Okay, and it'll look like you twisted them together, but you didn't have to actually twist them together, because that would probably cause a pop because it'd be pretty tight. All right, so head not looking right? So what we're gonna do is we're going to tuck the bottom part of the ears into the face here. So this, where it's sticking out, we're just gonna wedge it between both those orange balloons. Okay, and then if you want to, give a little shape up here on top of the ears, make them a little bit pointier. Alright, let me arrange this so you can get a better idea of what is going on. There we go. Now we're looking pretty foxy, right? Okay, so for the body of the fox, this is the part that's really fast. You're just gonna do a loop, like a big-ish loop. Okay, and twist that off up into the neck there. This will probably just be hanging out here for a second. Normally, if I was in a line work situation, I would get rid of the rest of this, but I want to show you how you can add a tail if you really want to. So I'm going to leave it for this video. For the legs, we're going to do all the legs with the rest of this. I'm going to show you. This is super, super easy and cute. So you're going to come down with the black about 2 to 3 inches, okay? And then you're going to make a loop. All right. We're going to take a remaining balloon, we're going to thread it through our Pumpkin Spice loop, and if the little foot comes undone there, it's alright, no worries, we'll just twist it back. Okay, and now you're going to thread that black in. So we've got this. See? Now it's on the other side, you're just going to make a small twist right where it comes out, and we're going to do another loop. Okay, and then just the same thing, we're going to go back up, let me move this part, back. Okay, there we go. I'm going to go back up into the neck with the rest of our black balloon. Just twist it up in there. Okay, so let me arrange this so you can see what we've just done. What have we done? We made the cutest little thing ever. Okay, so nose. We can use the rest of our black. You should have, you know, a good bit left here. Normally I would just like come out here and cut the end off this because it's kind of tight, but I'm going to try to just break it without breaking it. Woo! Alright, let that go. And I'm just going to let some air out until I just have a little nose. Tie that bad boy, and then we're just going to stick it right in the front of his snout here. Wrap it around there to secure it. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? Are you seeing this? How cute. Okay, so you can, that could be done. That looks like a fox and no one is going to think any different. But if you really want to give him a tail, we've got all this balloon left here. So one thing that you can do, bring your tail, or bring the rest of your balloon down to about halfway down the back or so. Twist it, and you're going to thread your balloon through the orange loop. Okay, without trying to pop the black wood. There we go. Okay, so now you've got the tail down, coming out the back on the bottom. Okay, so you can leave it, you can make it like a curly, skinny tail, or something that you can also do is come out to the very end, twist off a little bubble, bring it back, kind of right where the balloon comes out, twist it in, and then give it a curved shape. And now you've got the cutest little fox with the tail coming out the side. Ah, do you guys love this as much as I do? Where's my marker? There we go. Alright, so I'm going to do real quick eyes because I only have 1 minute left for this to go on Instagram like this without chopping it all up. Okay, so we're going to do 3 little dots, and then I'm going to do some whiskers. Super simple artwork, just ovals for the eyes, eyebrows, and dots and whiskers. And that's a fox! Isn't he so cute? And I'm working on a whole bunch of animals with this type of a little body design because it's super perfect for line work. So I hope you guys like this one. Get yourselves some Betallatex Pumpkin Spice balloons. Perfect for pumpkins, foxes, redhead hair like Anna and Merida. Oh my gosh, perfect color for that. So you guys need to add this to your bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye!